Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account is fully verified. Email confirmed, 2FA on, and withdrawal/authentication available. Once done, open Binance app and go to Profile Security. Tap Phone Number Change. You'll be prompted to enter your current number and receive a verification code. Enter it immediately. Make sure the new SIM is active and can receive SMS or calls. This starts the secure transfer process and prevents lockouts when two-factor settings are updated. Once you've entered the current code, Binance will require identity re-verification for security. Follow prompts to upload your ID and a live selfie. The system may ask for additional angles. After identity is accepted, enter your new phone number and request the SMS code. Type it in promptly. If you use an authenticator app, you'll also be guided to rebind or scan a new QR code. Make sure you have backup codes or access to the old authenticator until rebinding completes. Finish by confirming the change and reviewing security settings. Ensure 2FA is re-enabled and withdrawal whitelist still correct. Make a test login, and if applicable, a small withdrawal to confirm phone-linked controls. If codes never arrive, use the voice code option or retry after network reset. If still failing, submit a support ticket with your ID verification screenshots and error messages. This shortens resolution time. While waiting, do not remove access to existing authentication methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.